are.
You are.
He, she, or it is.
He, she, or it is.
We are.
We are.
You are.
You are.
They are.
They are. All right. Okay.
I shall now go round the class and ask you each to give me a sentence using the verb to be.
To be.
Taro, I am.
Ah, so. I am very happy to be learning English.
Very good. Good. Giovanni, he is.
He is a fool.
Good, but not Isidore. He is a fool.
Yes, he is a fool.
Max, she is.
She is beautiful. She is wonderful. She is...
Yes, yes, thank you, Max. Juan, it is.
Por favor.
It is.
Por favor.
It is raining.
Lloviendo. It is raining.
No, no llueve.
No, it is raining.
No llueve, ya te digo.
We'll skip you for the moment.
Por favor.
Doesn't matter. Sit down. Suli, it is.
It is duty of every citizen to overthrow imperial government. So say Chairman Mao.
Yes, well, that's his opinion. Good. Danielle, we are.
We are lucky to have such great...
Quiet, please. Very true. I mean, thank you. Ali, you are. You are.
You are waiting for me to speak an answer.
Well done. Anna.
Unfortunately, I am not understanding the question.
I want you to give me a sentence using you are.
I am.
No, not I am. You are. For example, you are from Pakistan.
I am from Pakistan.
Good, yes, but now use you are.
But I cannot say you are from Pakistan because you are not, are you?
Repeat after me. You are English.
No, I am from Pakistan.
What am I?
You are confusing me.